Hello friend, welcome back to Total Maintenance YouTube channel. Just a quick video to share something with you. I was on the weekend posting car for sale on Craigslist, right? And since the beginning of the earth, it was always for free. Later I remember if you were a dealer, you had to pay $5. So I was like, oh, what's happening here? $5? And of course, immediately I'm like, oh, is that some scammer trying to get my credit card information, right? So I had to go and research if it's true that the cars for sale ads are no more free. That was confirmed, and I finished the whole transaction, and the ad is $5, right? Cars for sale, and it's valid for 30 days, for 1 month. So I want to share that with you so you are not surprised if you do the same, and I will save you the research trying to confirm that that is actually not a scammer in your computer or hacker, right? And it's a legit, and the Craigslist really charges $5 for the car ads. Thanks for watching and have a great day.